Hello, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. Today, we are discussing in supply chain management various case studies, like an example, because this is the part of our syllabus. By this value, you can understand what is the role of the supply chain, how we have to manage the things, and in there, if there is any problem can be come down, how we have to deal with that is to be there. So today we are discussing about some case studies in that systematic manner by which you can also solve certain problems whenever that will come down in your professional career. So first we will take up the first study, that is Otto, and in this study it is basically founded in 1949 in Hamburg, Germany. Otto GmbH and Company is the largest mail order business in the world. While the headquarters are still there, the Otto Group presently consists of 86 companies in 21 countries, employing more than 65,000 people worldwide with a turnover of 19.2 billion pound in 2002. The products traded by Otto cover a wide range including clothing, electronics, and household appliances. For more than 2 decades, Otto has been an environmentally proactive company. This has led to the strategic decision to introduce apparel produced from the organic cotton. Now, the main thing is to be there in the supply chain management. Some questions has been come down, some problem has been come down in the first question was come down: how to organize supply chain to be able to introduce organic cotton apparel. Here, because this is the related with some studies that are already carried out in this paper, and particular as you are the management scholars, so I have to use it this case study in that forms by which you can understand the role of supply chain management and its impact on day-to-day business activity. In organic cotton is not readily available on commodity market, so in order to be able to provide such products, Otto had to start and operate in new supply chain from the cradle of raw material production, that is cotton farming. Therefore, the case presents an extreme case. As such, it is an example of environmental product innovation, but also the second thing, a presentative case, as Otto encounter the typical problems companies face when entering a new product field. Access to Otto was guaranteed by means of joint, publicly funded research products. Otto provides the business case while the research team offered academic advices to be there. That means how we have to solve the problems to be there. So in the instrument development, in the case study analysis, we have to come down in this specific things that in most cases all of the cotton supply chain is operated outside Europe. So this issue implied that indirect contact to suppliers of Otto, that is in Turkey or India, was not possible. Consequently, the case could be researched by having access to staff and document at Otto. As the first mode of access, semi-structured interviews were chosen as they provide a flexible instrument to get into the field and become familiar with the object studies, while also providing a flexible mode of data gathering. A second method to treat this supply chain management, we have to case studies history, was taken up by later in the research process as it becomes evident that a detailed understanding of related product examples was needed. Therefore, document analysis and joint data analysis with the staff members Otto was counted. Why? To check down how the supply chain is to be carried out in the Otto. This is a very specific thing source there. In this data collection, in this data analysis, in this carried out in the supply chain analysis, in the case study method of this, we have to take a 12 semi-structured face-to-face interviews with employees of Otto was conducted. They provide initial insight into the historical development of the field. Furthermore, two specific example model products were selected to gather quantitative data on their production at the single stage and the cost incurred for this. Again, data was only accessible through Otto staffs. The two products analyzed as example form two embedded units in the case study research. They are representative of related product range offered by the Otto. So what the come down now? Because we have to check down what is the role of the supply chain management. So with this step by step process, we have to come down a conclusion, a data analysis platform. It was carried out by the transcribing the interview data and checking interview protocols with the particulars. In an ongoing process, the findings were discussed with auto staff to validate the findings. A second important mode of data analysis was seen in comparing the result of the research of those research groups addressing similar questions to be there. So, in this case study research, we have to come down to a different theoretical basis, allowing different insight of the gains. As cost played a central role in supply chain, we have already discussed, dear students, that cost plays the vital role. Here the things is already clear that the cost played central role. Cost management was a first mean to achieve this, but as the research advanced, it was revealed that costs are not only but reporting data, but carry implications regarding the organization setting in which they are used. Furthermore, related transaction cost of the modes of cooperation and coordination, that is logistics things, they reflect play an important role. This theory based analysis was extended by the building on principal agent theory and structuration theory. So this case provide one of the exploration which was later extended to theory of building. At the onset of these factors influencing the design and operation of the supply chain were valuably assumed. So because you, this is the in your chapters, this is the study is to be carried out in your syllabus also. So with this means we have to come down that the particularly what the thing is to be, we have to come down that the cost plays an important role or the central role in supply chain management. So whenever you are planning to do any type of supply chain system in the organization, you have to should be maintained a clear cost effective system was there. Now we have to deal with the second case studies here. Stillman supply chain target costing for polyester linings. The company clause Stillman Gambex and Company KG was founded in 1958 in Waterstedt, Germany. In the rural region, company headquarters are still located there today. The core business of Stillman is clothing design and sale, and production is carried out at suppliers around the world. Major customers include Marks and Spencers and C&A in C&A. In 2001, the company had a turnover of over $700 million and employed more than 14,500 people, mainly in Romania, where currently about 12,000, mostly female, employees work. The company pursues an environmentally proactive strategy which includes the constant aiming of improving product quality and the environmental performance. Now, the supply chain question come down because we have to analyze in that situation is to be there. Here we are discussing only the supply chain case studies though, was how to introduce a new kind of technically and environmentally optimized polyester into apparel products. That means we have to set down process problem is to be there, inward logistic is to be there. Inward logistic, we have to take the things is to be in the supply chain process, whether we can introduce the polyester into apparel products or not, because the market is already going on. So polyester is used in a diverse range of products from bottles to seat belts to apparel. This case offers a representative examples of new product introduction where existing supply chain have to be overcome. If we have to product diversification, product line change, product extension, product restrictions to be there. So whether the supply chain is to be related with that or not. Similar in the autos case, the form part of the jointly publicly funded things is to be there. So instrument we have to use in this case study is possible to assess three stages of the supply chain. The three stages from the total relevant supply chain, tier 2 supplier, tier 1 supplier and the focal company. The tier 2 supplier was a chemical company polymerizing the polyester and spinning the yarn. The tier 1 supplier was a textile company producing weaving and finishing the apparel. Access to the supplier was provided by Stillman, which helped establish contact with the suppliers. Because we are here the changing the raw materials to be. We want to develop the new things is to be there. So we have to check down whether whatever the supply chain in the previous process was there again is to be implemented here or not, because the product will be totally different in that way is to be there. So in this analysis we have to come down the means of 19 semi-structured face-to-face interviews. In 14 cases Stillman staff was interviewed, while in other 5 cases staff of the companies operating the two proceeding stages of the supply chain were questioned. Site visits and documents analysis formed further mode of data collections. Data collection was carried out. And is this analysis we have to come down the insight gain at the three stages could be validated and thereby allowed for triangulations of the information gathering at the three companies. Company website, we have should be very particular, and secondary material and such as related publications, as in auto cases. But certain things is to be extraordinary come down in this case study can be come down. Target costing providing a conceptual framework. Here we are using the word of target costing, where in the first study we have to take up the costing plays the important role in the supply chain. Here the target costing provide a conceptual framework to complete the data collection. In this analysis it becomes evident that the three companies took an approach. Then the target costing, all of them operated with a clear focus on the cost and the final product, which are not to exceed convenient polyester apparel was there. They even took joint measures to reduce cost. That means three stages of supply chain allowed insight into the company's action as well as their interactions. While they operate in a competitive environment and such of them has to compete on cost in their particular market, it was interesting to observe how they implement joint measure in the particular supply chain, because new product range was there and we have to check down really the supply chain can be measured, but this is implemented part is to be there and the joint implementation is to be taken place. So target costing in supply chain has been established before. So the second thing is to be there. If we have to change the product line, product category is to be there, definitely we have to add on implemented joint measures in this. The Stillman case operates in a typical manufacturing setting where three companies operate, but the picture changes again if customers has a further stage of the supply chain. Now the third stage. Now this is the third study we have been carried out. In this third study, we have to take care of what the condition. The Ecology Recycling Network GAML is a textile recycling network residing in Telang or Lake of Germany. The network was founded in 1994 by two German clothing manufacturers for sportswear and the outdoor wears, Wade and Simtex Technology GmbH. Today, it remains a very small company employing only one person. The Ecology network was different actors, producers, retailers, consumers, and recycling companies of a polyester textiles. The objective of this collaboration is market introduction of apparel manufactured from a homogeneous polyester only, which can be recycled. This includes the development and supply of polyester apparel, the collection of post-consumer products by the retailers, and the recycling of these products into a granulated that serves as virgin polyesters material. This network provides a label for the all textile made entity of the same homogeneous polyesters. Since 1994, they have sold around 8 lakhs labels equaling this number of articles of clothing. Once they are retired from use, these textiles are taken back by Ecolog Recycling GmbH and integrated into a recycling process. So in this question, in this study, we have to check down whether how a closed loop supply chain involving customers as one stage of the supply chain operates and why success of the Ecolog network has so far been very limited. The aim of establishing the network was combining environment improvements with economic feasibility. All major technical problems had been solved before the Ecolog network. So in this company, we have to take care one stage of the supply chain operates. And we have to check down how the closed loop supply chain involved customers. So in this selected, we have to have various example into it. In this study, we have first made the contact of the person working on Ecolog, who acts as a network coordinator. It provides contact to the company. Again, semi-structured interviews is to be carried out. By the means of 58 interviews were carried out mainly from October 2002 to March 2003 using semi-structured interviews which were conducted either in person or by telephone. The people interviewed cover 4 stages of supply chain such as producer, retailers, 7 also related to apparels, consumers, the employees of the Ecolog regarding the coordination of the recycling network and collections, as well as 9 interviews were taken. Various email list was to be carried out. Now, after the collection of this because our main theme is to be there. What the problem is to be coming down the supply chain management in particular companies to be. So all stages of this particular closed up supply chain allowed for triangulation of the information obtained from the single informant. While interviews were transcribed, only those conducted with the Ecolog staff directly were checked by interviews. Furthermore, the Ecolog employees acting as the central coordinator was contacted several times. So that means the manufactured and the sold apparel products such as outdoor jackets or the occupational safety weathers, the product will use life of several years. Here the concept will change, because supply chain we have to provide the inward logistics, then the process, then the outward logistics is to be there. In the outward, if the product is running in a very long run is to be there, definitely maybe possible our lead time is to be extended. So consequently, one major problem identified in the overall operation of the Ecolog closed loop supply chain was the product do not return. This applies to both private as well as instrument customers. This might be compatible for the private customers who just forget about the options to return the jacket at the end of the life to the place we have to put. So the Ecolog case offered interesting insight into the problem of operating an ideally designed supply chain. Because in the ideally chain supplies, this thing is not applicable in this cases is to be there. Guidance 1 characterize closed loop supply chain by a set of activities, product acquisitions, reverse logistics, inspections, and dispositions. That means contesting of test, sort, and grade. So my dear friends, if you have to go for this type of studies to be there, you have to go down product acquisition. So in the supply chain, again we have to come down to the market acquisition part is to be there. New product identification is to be there. And the product life cycle was there also. So supply chain is not a single process is to be there. It is amalgamation of different processes. In the complete market logic is to be complete marketing management. In the marketing management, what is the trend is to be there? We have to take the idea what the consumer want, that means need. Then we have to change the concept into the want. Then we process the product, prepare the product like by the sorting offices to be. Then the product reached in the customer hand. Then value of satisfaction will come down definitely. The same process in the supply chain also. If we have to construct the product from the very ideation mode is to be there. Then after step by step, we have to take the final judgment and then user hand is to be there. And then if you have to take up the reverse logistics is not be come down, definitely this is the value of the satisfaction is to be there. So inspection and dispositions, that is contesting of test, sort, grades, etc. And reconditioning, which may include remanufacturing and distribution and selling of required products. So major aspects of the product acquisition and reserve logistics which are essential for being able to close the loop as mentioned in the Ecolog case. The technical solution is feasible. Still, the network did not achieve economic success due to organization or personal failure during product return. This could partly be explained by the building on transition cost analysis. So, the Ecolog case stands an example where only by inclusion of a customer in analysis can the picture of the supply chain becomes complete. We give the product to the customer, he utilized the product, he got the very satisfaction is to be there, so supply chain is to be completed. Access to this information was the most difficult to get. Furthermore, 20 more customers to be there and the uniform explanation is to be carried out. So whatever the data, because we have taken the 3 case studies in this case. Now we have to kept in this mind, we have to analyze 3 stages to be there and what the supply chain is to be cases to be there. In this industry, first is textile, second is textile, and third is also the textile industry. Why I am showing is to be there because the comparison could be carried out in the same companies. Different case studies we can take up. We have already show down what is the approaches to be there. First is the showdown, the cost effectiveness. Second is same supply chain can be possible or not. And third, what is the looping is to be there. So in this case selection, we have to take the extreme and primary cases to be there, and we have to take the validity values to be there. So whatever the values, whatever the system is to be there, if we have to take care the system, because whenever we have to go on for the first study, which we have to take care of the, we have to, have you remember, have you things to be there? This, we have to take care the auto is to be there, in which the case of the supply chain is able to introduce organic cotton apparel or not, definitely we have to change those things. So in this case study, in these valuable systems, in this logical system is to be there, we can say down that the research question can be a judgmental process. Here I am not showing anything how you have to clear down the case studies, because that is already studied to you in different modes. Particular in this paper, in the case study, I already give down certain things to be there. In when this before closing, I will show down how you have to take care of the different case studies also, because in this case study certain example was there. So if you are interested, I can just give down the things also. But in this supply chain management, you should care, proper care, 100% value should be there. So in this, whatever the cotton, whatever the silver, so in this, so we have to check down in the values to be there, that whatever the values, whatever the system is to be there, exploration is to. So in supply chain, cost played a central role in the system. The second study shows the different part of the IM is to be there. Here, the manufacturing setting where the three companies operate, but we can be applied in a different mode is to be there. But supply chain target costing should be take care. And whenever we have taken the third study is to be there, so this was a closed loop supply chain involving customers to be there. So this thing can be applicable was there. So in this study, in this values, in this system is to be there, when we have to take care. Now in the concluding media is to be, if you have to take the things like case study often emerge from the existing context the researcher has to industry. This was the case for the Otto and Steinman example as presented in this paper. So the main thing, the key approach therefore might be starting a focal company. Here I am showing you different case approaches is to be there, different values is to be there, different signs. But each and everything, whatever the knowledge is to be, because I don't want to say down how you have to solve the problem is to be there. I clear gentlemen. I am just merging is to be there. How you have to validate your answer is to be there, because validation of the answer in the case study can be secondary analysis or maybe in a primary analysis. If you have to go for the primary analysis to be there, definitely you will meet down the different populations, then you have to give down the answer is to be there. So in today's system, in today's application is to be there, we have to jot down that supply chain is the key role of the system, or in this key role of the system, whatever the analysis to be there, we have to take care of that. And there is a lot of, if you have to look after it, like an example, like you have seen the Walmart, and what is the what happened in the Walmart, how the this supply chain can be carried out there. The main thing is to be there, supply chain is not just like a procurement of goods, process it, then sell to the customer. No, no, we have to take care, supply chain should be in that way by which we can get down maximum profit should be earned, and channel should be symmetrized. And if this channel should be symmetricalized, definitely we can say if whatever the motive is to be there, we will achieve accordingly. The main thing, nothing is to be 100% sure, nothing is to be 100% pure was there. But whatever the logic, whatever the system is to be there, this thing to be acceptable in that scenario is to be there. So in today's system, in today's knowledge, today we are discussing about the case examples of supply chain management, and you have to example of data. Now, thank you. Hi, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. Today, we are discussing something related to the case study of supply chain management. In the supply chain management, you know all the things related with the what is supply chain, what is the inward logistics, what is the outward logistics, something is to be. Now, in the current scenario, we will discuss each and everything regarding how the conditions can be carried out by the means of the case examples of supply chain management. In we can take up here some exercises of industrial case studies in a very simple form, and also we can click out certain uh, PDF format also, by which you can go through how the step by step how we will solve the case studies. Here you are seeing this, there's a different responses of Nokia and Ericsson on a fire at one of the supplier facility was there. That is basically the logistics system is to be. Supplier was Philip Semiconductors in Elbicott, In Nokia, the condition was they changed product design to source component from alternate suppliers. For parts that could not be sourced from elsewhere, worked with Philips to source it with their plants in China and Netherlands. All done in about 5 days. It was there. What about the Ericsson was there? Because we know the Ericsson was the earlier so many years they have to burn the brand leaders in the terms of the mobile phones or sophisticated equipments in the terms of electronic products. The Ericsson experience was quite different. Took 4 weeks for the news to reach upper management. Realized 5 weeks after the fire regarding the severity of the situation was there. By that time, the alternative supply of chips was already taken by the Nokia. Now, what impact is to be coming down? Devastating impact on Ericsson is $400 million in potential sales was lost. Huge loss was there. And part of the loss was covered by insurance. But wrong product mix and the marketing program caused it is $1.68 billion loss of Ericsson cell phone division in 2000 and forced the company to exit the cell phone market. That is the main thing in the 2000. The Ericsson out of the markets to be there. Now, this is the simple case study which we will discuss here also. In Toyota supply chain, if you have to look after in 1997, SNCK, the sole proprietors and suppliers of 1988, when it's 88% of brake fluid Rochette valves, P valves used by the Toyota. Inexpensive parts, about $7 each, but important in the assembly of any car. Saturday, February 1st, 1997, fire stopped Essence main factory in the industrial area of Kenya. 2 weeks to restart the production because the problem comes down. So whatever the discussion can be taken to be placed. So without 2 weeks, they cannot start the production in that way. So 6 months for the complete the recovery is to be there. What were the order, what were the inward, what were the outward logistics, and the process plant is to be there. We can so take around 6 months of time. So in that means Toyota producing close to 15,500 vehicles per day. Just in time, JIT meant only 2 to 3 days of the inventory supplies to be there when the cases to be come down. Now, what the recovery effort taken by the Toyota? Blueprints of valves were distributed among all Toyota suppliers. Engineers from Aisin and Toyota located to suppliers' facilities, and other manufacturers like Brothers were also brought in. Existing machinery adopted to build the valve according to original specifications. So, new machines acquired in the spot market. Within days, firms with little experience with P valves were manufactured and delivering part to Aston. Aston assembled and inspected valve before shipment to Toyota. About 200 of Toyota suppliers were involved in this categories to be there. Whatever the outcome was come down. These are very small things to be there, which you just realize the things how supply chain is important in today's scenario. Even it's already in the so many years before of the same condition later. Accident initial cost 7.8 billion yens, that means $65 million to Essen, and 160 billion yen or $1.3 billion to Toyota. This is accidental. And damage reduced to 60 billion yen, that is $250 million, with extra shifts and overtime was come down. And Toyota issued a $100 million token of appreciation to their providers as a gift for their collaborations. The need for supply chain management, the need to improve operations, increasing level of outsourcing, increasing transportation cost, competitive pressures, increasing importance of e-commerce, the need to manage inventories. Now, what the supply chain is not. The definition described and developed earlier and recent industry collaborative activities indicate that supply chain management is not a stand-alone process. My dear friends, you must be clear on this. It is a amalgamation of different processes to be there. So it's not just like a standalone process. Many supply chain efforts have fallen short of the potential advantage because the term is often viewed as only relating to the supply side of the business or to the purchasing function. As indicated above, supply chain management is much more than just procurement. So what else is to be there? Because in the case study, you can justify the things is to be there because among the misunderstanding evidence, supply chain is not inventory management. It's not a stock management is to be there. Logistics management, supplier partnerships driven from the supply sides, a shipping strategy, distribution management, the logistics pipeline, procurement, or a computer system. It is more than that. So, reason for the slow growth of integrated supply chain, including the following is to be there. Lack of guidelines for creating alliances with supply chain partners, failure to develop measures for monitoring alliance, inability to broaden the supply chain vision beyond procurement or product distribution to encompass larger business processes, inability to integrate the company internal procedures, and the reason is still continues. That means lack of trust inside and outside a company, organization resistance to the concepts, lack of buying in by top managers, lack of integrated information system, and electronic commerce linking firms to be. So with this case study, what the importance is to be come down in the field of supply chain management. Dealing with uncertain environments, matching supply and demand, Boeing announced a 2.6 billion write-off in 1997 due to raw material shortage, internal and supplier parts shortage, and productivity efficiencies. US Surgical Corporation announced a $22 million loss in 1993 due to large than anticipated inventories on the shelves of the hospitals to be there. IBM sold out its supply to its new Aptiva PC in 1994, costing it millions in potential revenues. I'm just showing in the old era is to be there because it's the data. But what I showed on the things is supply chain is not just like supply chain is to be there. A lot of importance to be related with the supply chain management. Hewlett Packard and Dell found it difficult to obtain important components for its PCs from Taiwanese supplier in 1990 due to a massive earthquake. US firm spent $898 billion, that is a 10% of the GDPs of the US, on supply chain related activities in 1998. Shorter product life cycle of the high technology product is also be the part of that. So less opportunity to accumulate historical data on the customer demand, and wide choice of competing products make it difficult to predict demand. The growth of technologies such as the internet enable greater collaboration between supply chain trading partners. That means if you do it, your competitor will. Because in the case study, whatever the Ericsson, whatever the Nokia, we have seen this history. Major buyers such as Walmart demand level of supply chain maturity to its suppliers. Now that is the success rate is to be there. Availability of supply chain technologies on the market. So firms have access to multiple products like SAP, BAN, Oracle, Yuri, Edwards, with which of the integrated internal resources. Now, it means whatever the condition, whatever the things is to be coming down, whatever the values is to be there, if we have to look after, there are certain things which we can say down, definitely this is the need of the today's business is to be there. If we have to look after certain things in our scenarios, then we can say definitely there is a need of that. And if we can say what is the need is to be there, so we cannot go down the things. So everything should be like that only. So whatever the meanings, whatever the values, whatever the traditions, whatever the examples is to be there, definitely we have to look after that things to be. Otherwise, what happened in the supply chain management, a lot of conscious values was be come down. And whatever the constant values to be come down, we have to look after accordingly. And whenever the system is to be conflict, system is to be managed, we should be look after the things to be there. And beside this, we can manage certain things was there, and ultimate we cannot realize what is to be happening in that consciousness to be there. Because whatever the value, whatever the times, whatever the effort is to be there, we can be take care is to be. And even whatever the management is to be there, whatever the logic was there, definitely we can be change over the things to be there. So, dear friends, it is the highly precise basis to be there. Everything, whatever we have to take care, whatever the values